sisinyu ukuthi le ngoma kuyona yana because creativity yomunye umuntu it's something very important and isinenkinga ukuthi eSouth Africa ayihlonishwa nhlobo iarts inhlobo we are very uneducated inhlobo akwaziwa lutho kwalabo abantu baphezulu abazi lutho vele ubone ukuthi uzokwazi kanjani ke wena ngoba abantu abalapha ema-ofisini akaSambro abazi lutho kuthi umpotiyana abase SABC ungazuthi angazi ngathi kamkhize kufana ngesibongo kaSABC odamdam bodwa so kumele izinto kanje zikhulunywe ngendlela ekuyiyona elungisekile ukuthi kwazi ukuthi iphutha lenzakaka kuphi kanjani hayi ngoba mfethu ngiyakutshela
Wash bolova, Oy Makeba, oy. Ustanele hates. Charles keep my kids.
Mhlola yami neSoweto. Uyeza kuvuka ubuguruva baseSoweto manje into ongayazi.
For some reason Doc I woke up namhlanje ngicabanga le intro because ngicabanga eGumsheba Bruno and whatnot. Yeah. What happened to the other? Because ngiyacaba Bruno was she. I mean, soul rest in peace. What happened to the other guy? Fistos, yeah.
Fistos angazi. Last time I heard in
wife is Nento the Kerk.
Yeah, Marape I say somewhere boma
Yeah.
But umuntu ongathi seyiqondele mfethu.
Ngela kasayisha music man.
Ngagcina ukukhuluma indaba zo church
But Bruno boy.
Izinja. In fact it's how I know ngimazi ngoBruno.
Was uBruno ngobhiza
No Pizza uBruno ngimazi ngobhiza.
Is it?
Yeah, because the booking in East London, the booking in East London when I came mina ngiyithola ngobhiza ibooking yase East London ibeer festival mangifika la uBruno vele bese shisa from Rhythm City mangifika la shuthi le simtshelile ukuthi intwana yami yaseDurban ayikhona enye zami ukulokhu idika ekawubuhlala eminyango wathi ngifuna ukuthola wathi uBruno uzomsiza ngani khona into ozomsiza ngayo then phuza utshwala phuma kule ndawo uhlangene naye umazi akakwazi hlala la Ferranja phuma entweni
sure
and from that day we became friends very good dude
sure when you met Rhythm City how did you meet Bruno?
No Bruno I think sahlala no Bruno ukuhlangana no Bruno bekune event eKagiso ne yenza uvukani kanti kenzo yini hayi khona group bekuvukana bathi simanguri yenza that event ngahlangana no Bruno la so masibeke uvukana sibenzisana novukani uBruno was part of the idea uvukani baspansana uvukani
sure
so baspansana uvukani kanje thina besisenzela ama show uBruno wancanya the way simuva ngakhona wakabuvukane wazoploma nathi abayimpintshi nesaqala saphusha sonke kanjalo Rhythm City iza nje sithola vele ikhola khona ngithi phela oqala ubeka uSpiro
yeah sure
and then bamkhatha
okay
njenga ukuperaja khoma ngeEast London eEast London sethi base East London kwakubukwe famous for uBruno was not part of
sure
no I wasn't part of that
samkhayela naye njengefana
I wasn't part of that
khona Rhythm City untanga uyithola ama message wathola sisendleleni eEast London bamsendele script
sure
ukuthi character yakhe yabuya izobuya sawubani sakawubongani
kwelapho ayidonsa khona kwanze kabongani la stile sure
that's what masaqala nangela Rhythm City wadonsa nathi thazinja zami singanikhohla
that time ni famous for vele doing your thing
the realist
izinja beyisolvest dog sikhutha abantu befethu yeah sure man it's your boy LMK namanje lelo elama camera lasekhaya ulumkile Stephans mfana seSoweto Madzala hayi sibuye ngenye indlela ke manje ngivuthisa inja zami
obvious
ngivuthe zami
kulandwe phansi owenkosi from kaSwayimane eThekwini mase kufunakala abantu kubulongwe kokwazi ukuthi sekufunakala idirection mase kufike thina kusuke sekufunakala idirection abakhulele entuthwini kwamanje ingane zama fork and knife lezo 7 colors every Sunday abantu abasuza kunwe kamnandi thina ngaqhule ku cameraman mase kuthiwa sibhodla ngomgogodla Bizarro izitho
okay athi ngirutha Bizarro then ngifuna ungitshela ngendaba yaseSayimane Bizarro mnandi mkadawo
mnandi mfethu niyazi bafethu Bizarro
Nairo
izinja kufisa izinja bathi Bizarro nare njenge arrow thina bobastate babagcola uzehla ngecasket angololo
awuyebona lapho fana inayide iSayimane ikuphi ikasi
iSayimane ise
ngathi yazenzela
ngase Witbank
ngase Witbank
Witbank.
Oh, okay.
Witbank.
Okay.
So it's like not far from Maritzburg.
Okay.
Indawo efana nokuthi njengoba useJozi useKagiso
Oh,
uyeKagiso.
sure,
Yeah,
sure,
it's those type of vibes but ngokuthi ke eKZN nginalento ukuthi akusondele amakhaya, akusondele amalokishi iqala ombali mase kulandela indawo zasemakhaya. So nina la eGoli nento ukuthi umuntu oseJozi uyakwazi ukubela ilokishi ngiseSoweto ngisethembisa. Kuthina kuqala indawo esemakhaya mase kuza amalokishi next to a town. So iSwayimane from kwaSwayimane mawe eMaritzburg it's like 35 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So ila ngiphuma khona odlameni alifakwa libuya nawe.
Yeah.
Alifakwa libuya nawe.
Hayi ba ekawa onabhiza I respect amajita afana nabo Ferranje because thina si South Side eJozi. We just know iJozi. Asikaze sashifta sathi mhlambe suka yini mhlambe siyakuphuphiswe qala impilo phansi that so now has it always been isineke for wena or ke waphuma mhlambe wayobloma kwenye indawo ukukhuleni kwakho
hayi mina ngisesineke one way ngizalanga isineke mara from ukukhuleni kwami ne should already obvious malisuka from emakhaya naqala from Orlando yabo I think ngazale deep clinic ben from Orlando la shifta la eMdini from Mdini la sibaba khona stand Sneak Park umuvelo kwami Sneak Park mara mina ukukhula kwami zonke indawo lezi nye bangitshela ukuthi so mara kimi
inyoka
kimi inyoka
so sayifuthi kufanele hayi lonke ikhona le amazi ubhiza lonke ikhona lonke uhlangane phela mina in fact everyone I know in Joburg I know them through Biza I met Biza through Tswaka and I met Tswaka through another guy of mine who is an actor Prince. There is a guy Prince Guzalo manje.
Okay.
So he had a friend uMelkhaya behlala eDobsonville. Mangifika la eJoburg ngingena ndawo kuhlala. Ngahlala kuboka Melkhaya. uMelkhaya beumngani noTswaka.
Okay.
uTswaka umngani noBhiza. So uTswaka mayithola ukuthi I'm interested in music and quiet and he was like ngeke ngadansa nabo Bizarro. Ngathi ubani uBizarro? Mina ngazi uBhiza uTim Gobisa iqolo waseKZN. Kodwa ukhona uBhiza umchita wami. Wabe ngisa kuyena same time because uTswaka very soft guy very soft sathi sixoxa nje besekhala inyembezi wathi ngeke ngcono sekubhiza manje so kanti siyakubhiza and everyone you know mangithi everyone literally everyone knows
now that you mention uKawulo weTim Gobisa iqolo there's something that oyifake egameni lakho there's a king maliqala so I guess that is you differentiating yourself between ababhiza ababhaya nani tell me about it
because indaba ka King Biz okay before ne indaba ka King Biz ngathi mina yonke into abiqale from eJivini
sure
so from eJivini mina from bengishaya kwasi abengibulala kakhulu mara ngiqale from Sikhanda nanani mara from ekwasini kulaba uvuka
kwasi la usasekhona iCrown
thatha ngabe bengabe injalo ngibulala bethethela lapho funa uvuka lathi King of Kwasa you understand so the government ka King la behleli but masengenza music ngazibiza ngobani ngobhiza you understand until mase kuvunduka uBhiza wase KZN sithi sinobhiza manje KZN yini bathi nobhiza okuphi kuphi yabo
Islandana
advertising ngithathe ko la King vele that's why kwaphela ngathi
King Biz okay back to it indaba ye dance you mentioned ukuthi already belse Orlando belse Beruta belikuphi in and then wena uyintwana ekhulela eSnake Park Mo da Sneak Park eziphi esijivayo who are you looking up to iphuma va indaba yokujiva from there
honestly indaba yokujiva should bengena like umuntu uthi okay la umuntu umuntu usuyangishaya yabo ngifuna ukufana nazo ukuthi ngijivela kamnandi no bengena should mina ngito kujiva from uncle lami yabo mina ngiphula ngikhulu ku environment esedladini ku uncle el quiet yabo but singazi lenzani kanti ke umuntu obhedayo umuntu ophatha ibhamu nani so uncle lami zonke liphithiphithi malizenze ngiyabona ubamba isibhamu saseyintwana ibamba kanje yabo sifuna ukukhokha igana nani mara libuyenza discipline indiscipline sendoda yabo la angifunda kulezi zinto ezikanje sizoxabana so laqala la ngijivisa kanti laqala la ngikokisa insimbi yabo lingenza busy ukuthi ngabi lento nesithanda izinto ezitradini yabo la ngidlala ibhola from mina ngifuna ukujiva you understand so umuntu ongifuna ukujiva akilami so ngathi mase ngijiva ngathi ngidlala idisc nesadlala idisc thuma tournament nanalo ngithatha transfer grand saphayisa sesibhayisa ku Pirates yazi ibhola linafe ngapha nginswephe nangokujiva so ngathi ngibona into ibhola le ayinafe
option B
nginswephe
touchline Matsinta number 2
ngikubeka ngalokujiva ngijiva yangispanela
nice
wayibamba from there before we get to it ngijourney yakho yokujiva what do you think about the current state yama dancers no game yokujiva right now given ama TikTok? Do you think yonke into igimmick njengo music or akhona the actual dancers?
No, maybe ngiyaxolisa Lumkile. No,
Sure.
if ungasayibuka kanjalo like Biza, when I looking back from, you had the privilege of doing Jam early.
Yeah.
So looking back from those days and how Benny hungry for it dance and how you're used to come nina benenza ama concepts ema hall at that time. So kuwena kuhluke kangakanani dancers of our days then
Yeah, that's what I'm
ama
trying to-
challenges
yeah,
ebenibhekana
sure.
nawo nina nisama dancer ngesikhathi sakho.
Okay. One, no, ngithi nginama TikTok.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Yeah,
Yabo,
yeah,
you
yeah,
just
yeah,
post
yeah.
makuncane lokuncane yabo. Thina bekumele nje uqinile strategy.
Yeah.
Strategy belungile kusi yabo.
Yeah.
And should in order ukuthi ube inswempu, obvious maybe uziprove ukuthini ungena gas to gas.
Yeah.
Yabo, ufuna nje bathi inswempu kulelo gas.
Yeah,
Ukuthi
yeah.
uzwaziwe.
Yeah,
And uma bheka idance yamanje, basically ngakutshela ivari ne. Ama dancers for mina no bekho. Ngizokutshela nje ivari because mathi uyabheka na itala esijiva ku TikTok, itala besizenza.
Yeah.
Oh,
So le nto lezo remix but mawuthi uyabheka into lezo ama rhythms sama dancers akhona njalo ne. Into yamanje ngeke kujive a minute. You understand? Ngeke ubibela uthi jive for a minute.
Sure.
Yabo, so bajiva into zama challenge. After into ama challenge it's done. Bangathi umdanso street angeke. But umuntu ophatha ama dancers ngimnothisile ngathi o professional
Yeah.
when it comes to dancing, so fanga ngiyam respect when it comes to indaba yomdanso. Ulemntana kaMomphela. Yabo uMomphela mangabuka ishow kaMomphela you can tell ukuthi akho lawo ama dancers. Akusile ama TikTok dancers.
Yeah.
Yabo kune difference between the TikTok dancer and the dancer lama mntwana.
Yazi bengisathi ngifuna ukusho ukuthi njengoba ubhizi ethi TikTok dancer, people who can dance they'll be thinking is hating. No, mayithi a minute he means with different styles ukudansa ngezinto ezihlukahlukene. So umuntu move into eyodwa lokho ephinda phindile kwe. So mayithi minutes is talking about every 3-5 seconds changing to style different. That is a dancer ngokwakhe. Yeah.
But also kunamajita because you say New Town ama just lana kune studio sakonje abo bana manje abo Tom London nani nani. Those were your competitors nisakhula le nabo botsetse abo wow konje ubani umjita lo osemndeni konje bekulale kunayo wasezolo kwasemndeni
Makani uMasako
Masako ya uMasako
mina exciting lethu angithi thina besijiva into one
yeah
angithi obvious kunesibhujo
yeah
yabo esibhujweni bekuba abotsetse
yeah
na abotsetse kuna tsetse versus abo Tom
Yeah,
London mara
sure.
obvious we all know ukuthi esibhujweni mabo ukazi ivari lomdanso street
Yeah.
abalikazi besibhuja vele grand abobani iFormula Boys kabotsetse
okay
tsetse uKing Kampa uye futhi beka create
lezi beziqina zijama riding amabhujo ya sure
then ngapha kukwasa ne bekuba yithi nabo Masako but
okay.
difference ukuthini abo Masako bebenza should bake kasi bebathi
Mix it,
kwasa ne
yeah.
but the type of ikwasa yabo Masako nethe ifana yabo shuthi thina mina into engayenza shuthi ngabheka lento abathi ikwasa yabo
Uqobo
ngabheka
ngqo.
into enza kuMasako uthi okay le nto Masako into abathi iguduru yabo ikwasa into enjani yabo ngaqala la ngibheka ama video khona la eJuice yabo ngibona ama video lawa ezaseKhongo
Oh, yeah.
la ngefika amodombolo that's ukuthi ikwasa into so iguduru into so but ke kasi ke kuthiwa
Into eyodwa
yezi shaya
ikwasa
ikwasa ebesibhujwa nabo Tom nabo wawo ne babona abo tsetse babona abo Tom ne abo lento zeyithathu yabo lento zokujive baspin bathi bona kusisibhujwa for bona because engqondweni yabo isibhujwa yilesi esikreathwe yibo because abantu babona ukuthi okay nasi isibhujwa
Yeah.
bese lo wenzani yazingcolisa ama ngajava kabuhlungu kanje isibhujwa sikho
fana ama subgenre piano
Yeah,
sure alright
Manje kuyenzeka ukuthi ube idancer umsipha ukuthi amantombazane ufe ngoba nonke ngazi ukuthi niloye ngedilo nonke I understand kuyenzeka ukuthi udance abantu besifazane bengalokhu bekulima like is it possible because every dancer I don't understand every dancer mfethu bavuka namathi mina I had the privilege of being into some stages where only big dogs are there. And I've seen labafana badansa besathi intombi zabantu aba serious. Zama headliner. Ukuthi hayibo I headliner le artist yeah kodwa intwana iqhamuke imuke na.
no
That's why I want to understand it. With every dance why?
No, that's the problem baba. Shuthi amantombazana attract into zidom.
Ne.
Attract into zidom. Shuthi uzokubuya lapha stage lewe omuva ngakhona.
Yeah.
Unokupicture into zakho.
Oh,
Yes,
phela
yes.
amapasa ayifika
Yeah, mthathi ngiyasho ayusevela ngidom. Nami intombazane make
Ngathi plus khumbu ngezela kancane. Mangathola la shanje.
Yeah.
Kuze lento ayenza laphana ngayenza kwenye indawo.
Yes.
Tosi ngomlando.
Yeah.
Yabo tosi ngomlando. Yeah.
For example, bheka boshela bathanda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tosi. Ukuthi utosi uTepu, akabhekele futosi. Abashela bamthanda yini utosi?
Yeah. Yakuzona.
Kodwa nje bakushala amavesi kaTosi. Angeke
Yeah,
bakushala.
abawazi. But they know ukuthi yakho. Yeah.
Ayinenza
Makes
kakhulu.
sense. So ukudaying njengoba usho ukuthi bekunama subgenres kweyakho subgenre which was daying ikwasa. Did you then be crowned as a king yekwasa at some point or ke kwaba ubhiza nje wase Jive Snake back ngase lokushini?
Mfana.
Awu ukugugisa kakhulu hayi leyo hayi leyo akade ngikuphendula ngisuka kwaZulu hayi ngifike ngayithola mangifika eSinekenene awubagugise kakhulu ke ngebasa no ubagugise baswela indawo abazokhala
Yeah.
kuyona
Bekunama competition bewakhona mhlambe to back that ukuthi hayi ngibashaye bonke.
bekuyilento leyo ukuthi njalo makuhlangwana mayike yatholana nje besazibani bayisukile kushawa isikokela
Yeah,
kushawa isikokela behlezi isuka
ukuthi ehlaka the most special yinto ebenzeka ukuthi umuntu abe creative thina angithi back then asithi for example thina besinokuklasha maybe nabo masakho bekungafunwana shothi to a point whereby shothi kubaleka i-student yabo shothi student ezingada sezibona ukuthi son ayilapha ngathi mara jayebo kamnandi shothi amaqasho into kanjalo so kumele uziprove ukuthi ubani obetter kunomunye so makuhlangana izinja zahlangana shothi mina nginezami ngithola engibaphethe nawe nezakhe
Sure.
Twazi angididileni amathwasa akuhlangana inkalakatha lapho yabo shothi kula ubona khona i-creativity because thina back then mawujayiva pijama bengabelanga uphinde style udliwe yabo those are the rules
yabona into engisho
la creativity bekhona shothi baqeda ukushaya into shothi yazi nokwenza nokubheka umasakho mangajayiva ne or umasakho abheke mina ashaya mawuhlakaniphile uzwenzani fuck yazi nathi ngenze kanje abantu mangajayiva ungene wenze the same thing yakhe mara uspice up wenzani usasivile zakhe idiet uthi ukhipha yakhe idiet kawu bekuzwe ukuthi maybe ubhekile from 3 o'clock wathi abheka kushaya kuzokushaya 9 o'clock kuyabhekile kule busy 2 boxes kufaka ama 5
awungafa
so yabo uthi into zokujava ukuthi benginja kanjani so ngihambe the reason ngizokujithi ka ayifana akekho umunye naka ngibabhodisile angibabulele
ngifuna ukuthi zonke le story zabhiza phela ngithola angithi mangifika mina ngise ngiqale ngaba se Dobson Ville 3 and then ngamuva ngaba se Sineke 11 and manje ubhizi lokho la 9 so maye lokho efike ezongithatha yabo no kubonakala imoto yakhe ngizwa ngabantu aba engingabazi ukuthi bayamazi ubhizi abangitshelayo ukuthi hayi leyo amajive onzima kakhulu ngizwa ngama-hotman uyithatha play out ejive ngiyabathi no ngibe nginokuyibona ibinokufika nga-right at the end because bona bebazi ukuthi angazi umuntu since ngifika la kanti after I met Biza I went back to Durban and then uBiza benokufika novukane no too short so still isakhona ukubonana so ziyakhala ukuthi le bijive kakhulu ngithe manje wonke umuntu ufisa ukungitshela istory that's how I know ukuthi ubhizi bagogise kakhulu labantu because ngisho abantu abangenandaba naye bembuke bengambingeleli but mase ngasekho they wanna explain ukuthi yazi ya out leya sukumeze kakhulu ngomdanso kakhulu
usasemhlungu namanje
it's a god given but like
mara manje izinto sezishintshile amakwasa abasawafateli no
never
usho kanje
hayi umdanso ngeke awushintshe umdanso
awushintshi.
Do you think when the crowd for ikwasa no?
That's why ngithi umele ubukele mangabukela bheke ama-video abo
cha nje lento anayidansa ku TikTok eyisendayo
bayazibuyisa mara bayazimodernize
again nesibhutshe besikanje nokujava kwakudala bezikhona lezi ezikanjalo mara mangabheka abantu abadila ngomdala that's why sibheka bokaMompela ubani lo Shiri lo DJ lo ntombazana DJ ehlala ihamba nama dancers
Sayena ngisusayen
bani lo uthora too much man ngemkhohle
usukwazi intombazana
iset kawafuzi akuna TikTok challenge lapha as much as ubona ama dancers zakhe kuma TikTok ayenza nama challenge but ekudancing lapha kuyadanswa strong kuyajiva akuna ukuthi sithi 1 2 3 bese siyama what is the next time kuyajiva straight
asisuse-ke ebhuqwini mfana because udayile ufera nje keeps mentioning uvukane and now you also mention uvukane so ngifuna ukucava ukuthi how do you now change i-transition yakho from ukujive ekasi esigela nani and then sobona ama-artist nyana ayilo mfana ngangijivela when did that happen for you?
like ukuhlangana kwami novuka
I don't know if Mavuka was the first artist oyijivele but sengiyasho nje the first artist nje wayijivela
yeah uvukane I think is the first artist
yeah sure
uvukane ngimazi okay uvukane ngimazi kanjani ngimazi kuma music video ngoba shows abo shoot ama video kasi bona amasini
angeke futhi ungamazi uvukane yadlala
uvukane kanjani
Kayazi ukuthi eKZN kunabantu abangamazi uvukane but alikhi artist elingamazi and if we artist ungamazi uvukane that's when we know ukuthi there is something wrong uvukane mfethu ukuthi sise South Africa and the game is filthy in unfair filthy
no izinto zomuntu unokuzibhalisa yena yabo uyazi ukuthi uzibhalise ngani ngikhuluma uvukane supposed to be yabo somisi uvukane can choreograph choreograph angitshela ngomuntu ozothi
mfethu uvukane so good
lungiloza la yabo ushaya ispansule bese ushaya ispansule bese athi Feranja wena ushaya ikwaso okay yazini wena uzongena iroutine lakho likhatha la bese ngena wena khuma ngumuntu okwazi ukuqala into from scratch a create a routine from scratch you understand and ubheka amapantsu ama dancers from back then weKwaito labo ojayivele boleka umathoso kuyale lonke dancer bijaba ata wonke ama dancer baphuma kuvukana
supply uvukana
mavuka that would be a lie Thithule ngifuna noba ngathiwa futhi ngiyasho bafithi ngicela othi ufundise usubiza ukujiva or ubani bani asitshele ubani ufundise usubiza kuphi ngoba laba bathola wonke ama dancers wapolishwe nje masoya sabuya
ukuvukana and that's where umsebenzi onzima
yeah ama channel usomizi unama channel then uvukane
yazi ngiyayithanda ke le point yakhe nobitha because it goes back to lento bengisho ukuthi it is unfair South Africa uyabona njengamanje sesiya kuleyo point I'm not saying uvukane is a saint but looking at the game uvukane has so much influence uvukane unobusa abufakile South Africa ama South Africans are happy people like that we keep on sleeping on them and unfair leyonto because siyabazi awekho ama award ngamazi uvukane and istory savukane baningi abantu abasizakele ngenxa kavukane and I'm saying abantu abafana novukane basiza ama superstar kusasa sine sidlule kuvukane you understand if singabanaki sithi laba abafisa ukusiza njengamanje emalokishini abafisa ukusiza izingane abafisa ukusiza intsha abafisa ukusiza iyouth besize kanjani if usothi mase sithola ama platform sibabuke if they don't exist because it should always ukuthi siqala kubona ukuthi ipersonal yakhe injani unamaphutha kanjani lokho akuhlangene nathi funa ke sibuke ukubaleka kwendima edlalayo inkinga into mase sibheka ipersonal yomuntu mase sibheka irole yakhe because uzothola ukuthi umsebenzi wakho wenzile perfect but esinaka ukuthi ongahlangene nomsebenzi wakhe okwenzile uvukane the dance trust me Durban Nights they come from Vukane abo Teddy Bears it's Vukane we understand so ziningi izinto mfethu ingakho ngithi iSouth Africa ayikho fair because they know he exists uyabona you understand umuntu engakumele ngabe uphila yes nami I'm in the music business because umsawa
balela ingoma ebide
but yonke
mfethu angifuni ukuqamba manga mfethu they are sleeping on Vukane they are sleep even abasakazi laba bamaziyo because most people yona into engicikayo bayamazi they are sleeping I understand ukuthi why ningafisa ukukhombisa abantu ngomuntu osiza abantu bengakabulutho because uvukane size potential before the world does
but why not the same artist abobhiza abaphuma kuyo or whoever artist big ephuma kuyo kube yeshoyo rather than mhlambe imedia or
okay it's a different scenario mase sobheka ama personalities abantu abafana number 1 ngikhona umuntu engizothi noma ngimsizile mase siyaxabana ngosuku lokugcina mase kuyakwipe konke lokho okuhle engikwenzile nama relationships kungaba kuhle necherry but utho dedeni zohlukana ngakho ngazi usakukho okuhle osakwenza so angifuni ukugxila kakhulu kuma artist angammentionanga anezathu zawo you understand
mara uqeda kule sorry for the point ngafranje hayi ukuthi ama out awambala uvukani yazi sokwenzakalani uvukani ukhuluma le ntwana ukhuluma uNkulunkulu abagama chance abafundisi stage how to perform how to control the crowd you understand imic uyibamba kanjani abambise club to club club to club how to do ingoma yabo uthi kuzube inswempu kawuvukani
everything in face
ikinga zibava mase kuzofika for example asithi for example sekufika uKabza this morning you understand bese uthi uKabza this morning la wena lo livukana akudlala ngawe so emani woza la mina ngizokusayina kanje nakanje uKabza this morning uzothini mina ngidiscover enantwana engiphethe entsha ubani uFerranja yabo uthi uvukana ngasa exit
sure
now masa exit uvukana now usihamba nobani nabo Kabza no Small nabo mapolisa nabo bani
awusayingene kavukana
hey now so gijima nalabantu yabo bese senza le ntwana ziyabhamba bese uvukana basaqala nzini enza ama event athi uvukana expecting la intona yami lana bese mashe zikhashiwe abangasho because bona bazothini mina ngibongo uKabza le Small uye
endakana nkinga face akaza ka call out anyone ukuthi
but uvukana masathi ngenza event or ngenza birthday ntontoni mase kumele lo muntu eza azomsupport uvukana mina ngeke baba ngisayiniwe icompany ezithini entontoni yabo zimkhona uvukana bese azokwenzakalani ziyawo angathi phela yazi
yeah
umavuka kuyideke kodwa uhlale endaweni eyodwa uhlale yedwa umavuka yabona mshiya khona ila umfica khona
yes same thing
ucela kuyena ama event uphinde wathole kuyena ama sekbet
azenza lapho ziwela kuvukane ubona cha welcome home ayinjalo le la welcome home boys uzokufaka
uzokufaka
perform 7 days a week
while sit up let's give him enough credit because I believe ukuthi mawujive estradeni ushala makwasa wakho ama jive wasekasi for ama flate then uthi yo jive le artist ungena stage that's a different kind of umjive so kunesigela esiba khona la so he gave you that leso sigela leso in between ukutransition from riding
kahle into ayifunda vele kuvukana yiyo leyo yiyo nokuziphatha to my dancer like uziphatha kanjani
yeah and enye into very discipline uvukana
njani for example into bekhona uFerranja ne le yamantombazana you will never find me ukuthi now sika performer wona sothi so uyabheka umntana othize nana kuba professional ngene stage ushaya into yakho uphuma uhamba endlini urelaxela now it was more about now in making inyuku yabo respect manje uthi okay manje angisayenzeli ukuthi manje ngivithiza amatiki nokuthi ngifuna ukuduma manje kasi understand okay lokho sesiqedile sidume siqedile now lento ebengiyenza it must make sense now mina yenze sense
asikhuphule
bafuna family kunanani angeke kulibile around ama jukebox uzogcina ikhanda lakho thatha sebenzi
so riding when it comes to riding ukujivela ama artist was it a thing ukuthi uyi dance kavukane and then uzola 7 uyakuthatha uyomjivela hayi ukuthi uyi dance kazola 7 you rotate among ama artists kodwa uyi dance kavukane isipana kanjani
no it depends angithi makuvukana asithi for example makuvukana ku African Child angithi African Child company abo African Child uvukana angithi ama artists mafuna ama dancers
uya supply
akuvukana yabo bese athi okay bafethu uzola ufuna ama dancers for example yabo ngiyathi ngibona okay umuntu ongabamba kuya ngokuthi i level kazola ngakanani bathi okay ubani ubhiza ufish no canteen enza kuzola bafethu ukhabonini amantombazana ufuna ama dance into kanjalo then mase siphumile thina kuvukana ne obvious that is besisenzela in connection mase siphumile kuvukana sesenzela continuity nathi only find out ukuthi kunama artist abhaya vele adala sifuna understand mara manje ukuthini siyavaleka just because of ini si under uvuka you understand so mo under uvukana uyacheck ukuthi ubani ufuna ini kanjani yabo amanye opportunities uyaluza mo under icompany plus sesiphuma khona ukuthi ngoba sinokugejana ngani ngendaba zenye ayikho nje alase uvukana there's nothing wrong yabo ngaphandle uthini essence not kids sokuphikisana ngendaba yemali yabo indaba yemali bese uthola ioffices yabo so uthola ioffices obvious uzoshift yabo la uthola khona experience ke manje sokuqala sojayivela different artists different assets kanjalo laza kanjalo
so understand you told me ukuthi at some point Bolanda uzola esigela
there's a time sasojive akathi sase
it is prime Uzona kusazo president
yabonando emfethu
Saphila uNandos.
angazi ngacela basho sekhize nina
Yeah, no, ngiyasho usashona uNandos ngiyamazi.
ngiyabona leyo ngiyabengenzani sorry maqala azibengenzani futhi mina bengilanda shuthi edoctor ngathi mangifika edoctor phela ngathi mangifika edoctor mina edoctor I was the first person ukuvela TV yabo first episode yani ejika majika ngangifake ngigqoke ijizi lesesigele yabo so mangifika esigele wonke umuntu like beyabhela iding yabo so bekona ama competition ezikolo zabo for abomajayivana so edoctor beyidliwe so until kwaze kwafika mina base kufika mina ngabane nabantu engibafundisa isigela nabo angazi abo art and culture into ezikanjani sasiphethe angisemkhumbulo seko kubani yabo so bele besithora sithi computer abo ma eldos nezinye igela yabo kisa ezasesowethu siqedile ngazo abo masakho sisibashayile asori mngana wami bala sibashayile sibashayile sesiyamuva sesichallenge nabantu bakuphi yabo national bese ba national bese yabo overseas into kanjalo yabo so to a point by mina bengithi mangise ngirepresent isigela ngakhona engisibeke emipini ngakhona bengithi ngibhale exam nje yami yazi ku exam room
thulekile sure
ngiyabhala nje uzokhapha ukukhum isound ngizolanda ngeke siyatshenza ubheka kumena bese ngathi ngifuna explain mangiqala ngithi bathayi sesiyazi hamba ku principal singeke ku principal eish amani into so okay mfana okay yashap mina bakubhala abantu babhala imaths namhlanje mina ngibhala Friday bangibuya ngizobhala imaths the way into bezingivale
should be ne impact bene nabo thisha bebebona ukuthi ngeke singqabe lento le ngeke singqabe
ijika majika how does ijika majika comes ukuthi uyaya la uyo bo audition or boyenza ujika
majika no benga audition
boziyela njenge umajayivana nje
shuthi sasathola untombi yabo untombi sabona untombi ngisasiperforma kwake competition I think ngoma naleti nalehona so untombi wasincane ukuthi ayine bafethi ngijayivela grand yabo but ke angithi bashabe sabhayisa uthi okay bafethi une show so ezolenzeka sona ngizonifuna izodlala ke sepiswana kanje kanjalo stress nama adverts ijika majika benzwa yithi yabo jayiva thina qala yabo ujika majika uqala until is2 yabo so untombi masithatha kanje uthi bafethi nini emsebenzini nje manje ngangitholela ama dancers so lapho sijela ukuthini thina ithi sifaka abantu
sikubhiza sure
so ngitshela intombi bafethi ini no cares bafethi abasesnake park transport izobalanda ngo5 o'clock maybe kuseni eholweni so bese mina abantu bazake kimi eholweni la ngijabisa khona emanje ngafuna ukujika amajika into kanjalo lapho bese siyabathatha sibasala ukujika amajika but bengasama audition
ma indaba ye 10 cent apparently been shower did you ever get paid from your ijika amajika
azange 20 cent
nomanga
mara TV ngebe benilibamba icheck la khona iTV
hayi lebe ku GML
obe ku GML
crew versus crew top London so to finest ndoda uyazi ukuthi last betli ngithi uyazi ngichweba zangulethe ayifuna nobani asikakhona
tell me something ku GML did you all get that money
yo ukhola same time
nice
mama la check le mayiphuma nje ngadabula
so manje wawuthi akaletha ngechweba uTom
nice
you know what happened ngathi masifika ngathi yazi ama crew sho thina sabashaya 3 weeks ilandelana wathi ndu uthola ama 7.5 bese4 vele 7.5 sherelana shapa mnandi so but decide ukuthi hayi nina angenimeni kancane abanye bathi chance so kuba abanye abantu kanjalo so ijika yathi mayizophela iGMA but okay now asenzeni song asiletheni wonke lama champion ayawin yabo sithi walatha wonke lama crew akawin thatha bothomba thatha ini sabathela induku savesana nani neSotho's finest ku final
sure
famous for versus Sotho's finest basidla nga 1 point nakhona it was not about indaba yokujaya ibethi giver ngomdanso sibashayile lapho abantu manje sebenza in because that it was a music show not a dance show yabo so
beka yonke into
bagayi phepha ufish unganami was costa mkhulu
awusiso bafethu
ufish kunephepha obviously libhaliwe Chris Brown
Yeah.
yabo obviously lapho kusodumi no and siyayimameli no
Yes.
yabo and ingobe sasiyimamela kumele athi how I supposed to live without no air
Yeah.
yabo mase Chris Brown yabo
Sure.
wajema umngane mama wakhe so if agreement namajita ukuthini abafethu siphume kasi sonke
Yeah.
azi asenze sokube fair le 30 hour le
Yeah.
masunini siyayishare 50-50
Oh.
no matter ngabe kuwini bani kanti uthoma ushanga ngqondo
Eh.
yabo ukuthi shuthi noba se compete yabo shuthi asayi ngale spirit ukuthi
So win.
Yeah, relax.
ngithola but edansweni sabashaya
Yeah.
ingiwe uphi uma points when it comes to music la ufishisa kajema khona otherwise into yenza siluze mara manje makumele sithole imnyuko
Yeah.
asayitholi ke manje le yanyu
Njengoba
Thomas
kuvunyelwe.
asitshela ukuthi ya mina ngiqale ngamisa amajita abazali babone
abethe abazali
next day since that day going kanje
akoni kanje.
But I understand i crew versus crew yiyo leyo eyakushintsha from a dancer to a musician ne?
yeah
Ngoba because of
How did that one happen, Pizarro? I never found that one out.
oh should lapha ama crew versus crew kune ama challenge ngama challenge
Yeah.
njengoba ngisho it's a music show angithi i dancing bayifaka ikhona la kuba khona ne but yokuqala uba nani konje oh kumele nibe nomrapper
Okay.
So
Kwi group yini?
egrouping
Okay.
so thina bese nginamrapper
Okay.
I remember I think bomele sithatha imixing mama ntwana ka FBs I don't know yafela kanjani so ngela sigari sijahile sami sobona phambili yabo so da banokugayigama yabo ukuthi hayi bathi for example bathi book yabo mele urap
Freestyle,
ngobhuku you understand
Sure.
so mina ngathi mina ngizoyenza lo part ayihluphi
Yeah.
yabo sharp angazi uzwenzani enqondweni uthini abafethu le party le noba ngathiwa siyayiluza le party le yo freestyle
So beswenzile ama pointer
Yeah.
so makuthiwa abangigala amagama mina ngifreestyle ngwashaya yabo nami ngazi kuze kanjani yabo ngwashaya bamugaya igama ngilisebenzisa yabo bathi ice ngibile freestyle nge-ice yabo bathi ini ngibagaya yabo aqala lapho la idea bese bagaya i-challenges 2 bagaya into ukuthi now sinigaya 1 minute ukuthi ni create ingoma
Sure.
you understand then kulama izinza laba futhi masingathi ini
Kwakufunakala thina
yabo so sathi mas create ingoma kodwa ingoma sayi create I don't remember ukuthi 18 khona ingoma sayi create yabo masiqodo kwena abantu babukela episode basibuza kadle ngoma leya benicula ku JML iphuma nini and into sayi create la ku JML asibona khona man ehle lento musikahle
Usikalo.
okay sharp saqala sayithanda ne manje into yenza ukuthi ungene kakhulu emusicini movana ama artist
Yeah.
yabo movana ama artist obviously yazi kuyoke tour kuyabo ma East London isithini yabo uma Durban so ama artist kuba nama beats yabo kudlala ama beats beats na thothi umuntu uyabhala thina bese sas freestyle uzathi thithi lakhe utheni yabo lento kodwa kuyisho bese nawe uyayisha in ayibhale phansi umuntu ukuthi amamele na lento betshela ukawu la sayakhafula lapha ingoma bazotshela abantu ukuthi yazi ka yimi ngabhala la part so abathi awona mama yabo so abantu bathi abantu lento should is possible lento singayenza lento singayenza mana ngesohlwe lento qala lapho uthando lo music la sesibhala khona ingoma
Oh, and emele endabule for lawo maline lawo. But before
no masishaya ingoma wazi
mfethu.
and now ngiyaba really wena Durban Gogo TDK ma cassettes ingoma ethi sayifuna lo mkili ingoma ethi ya umsebenzi wendoda ingoma yethu
Unamanga umsebenzi banabo le ngoma.
Bathi bayikapile ka.
ngidlala cabanga impitch emerenkayo ithi boy chicken
Oh yeah, usakhona chicken.
Ithini boy angimamene shothi record phone yini angisendele ngithi hayi man ubani lo yabo athi ndoda ngizwa lengoma idlala ku YFM ngithi ubani athakangazi yabo hawu angazi after 3 days thama ne boy ngithuthi la ngoma ngabani yabo athi mfana ngiyimamelile ngiyidownloadile ngiyimamelile lo muntu uyishaya lengoma exactly akala ashiche
I remember that song.
ngithi angisendele yona ayangisendele shiki ngithi mara kucula intombazana ngithi ubani nje licula la bathi TDK ma cassette ngithi ingoma ngabani bathi ingoma ka Durban Gogo yabo shoot ene bese sishoot ene video lo Nomkini
ngiyakhumbula that's why ngithi ngiyakhumbula lo because ngiyaremember
die spirit yabo ngeke
Ima, did you make any khona ukuzamile ukureach out to Durban Cock and find out how she got hold of the song?
ngamlanda ku Instagram yaphela la
Wathi?
Instagram azanga respond
Wangaphendula.
yeah nothi ikhema cassette
Naye wayithula.
ngabela yeke indaba
Anakuzange ilandelele.
kuba abantu ufuna ukuduma ngabe khona labantu abathanda ukuduma
Yeah, ingakho ngithi mina ngiba nenkinga if i-assist ithatha ingoma yakho and you quickly wanna rush public and talk about it because if musician mina ngisebenza e-studio I record artist every day. Izinto zenzeka ngendlela ehlukile e-studio. Mase se-studio kumnandi enjoy sifuna ama-idea. We don't question umuntu mayethi nayi chorus ukuthi uyithathe phi you just take the chorus and put it in because you want to make that song at that moment. But if umuntu esebuye said that song is mine. Ingakho ngithi if uya kwi-artist direct ngiyakuhlonipha noma i-artist lingakuthatha kanjani anginendaba but ngiyakuhlonipha mawukwazi ukuya kulona ngokuqala ukuthi no la kwenzeke iphutha because umuntu it's like the thing ukuthi abantu bacabanga ukuthi bonke abantu abadumile bayingilosi baningi abantu abadumile ababolile baningi abantu abadumile abanyanyisa ngalendlela leyo ukuthi imphakathi ngeke ubamele mangasibone lelo side labo but because kuvela leli elibadumisile ilona elibalekile futhi ilona kumele sibabongele lona. We understand? So ingakho ngithi walenza i-plan lokuthi ufinyelele kwi-artist ulazisa ukuthi ingoma yami le if wamazisa and wangasibona isidingo sokuphefumula angimazi angimkhulumeli but I'm just saying then I feel better knowing ukuthi even the artist knew ukuthi le ngoma kuyona yana because creativity yomunye umuntu it's something very important and isinenkinga ukuthi eSouth Africa ayihlonishwa nhlobo iarts nhlobo we are very uneducated nhlobo akwaziwa lutho kwalabo abantu baphezulu abazi lutho vele ubona ukuthi uzokwazi kanjani ke wena ngoba abantu abalapha ema-ofisini akaSambro abazi lutho kuthi umpotiyana abase SABC ungazuthi angazi ngathi kamkhize kufana ngesibongo ka-SABC odamdam bodwa so kumele into kanje zikhulunywe ngendlela ekuyiyona elungisekile ukuthi kwazi ukuthi iphutha lenzakaka kuphi kanjani hayi ngoba mfethu ngiyakutshela we have a big problem
because manje akithi also aba artists let's say mhlambe David Gogo is the DJ mhlambe aka producer I don't know if you producer mhlambe
no she's a DJ
mhlambe ngithi kufika i-artist aze nengoma then afake igama lakhe and then that's it
you understand ingakho ngithi mfethu
maybe
yeah
umuntu aziyo ukuthi utshentshe ingoma uloyiculile
Iphele.
one of the song akayazi
You understand?
Sure.
and maqhamuka i-inbox anyone can say tshontsha ingoma yami anyone but ziyatshontsha ingoma zabantu hayi ukuthi ziyatshontsha ziyatshontsha kakhulu ziyatshontsha but what I'm saying is funa ke sibe yabo njengamanje sekulula ukuthi nakomunye umuntu ethi mayezwa kuthiwa uDurban Gogo utshontshe ingoma ebe aware ukuthi kwase kukulandela wena ukutshontsha we understand kukhona engabalandeli that's how you are able to pick ukuthi lo muntu uyayitshontsha ingoma noma wenza njani we understand mina ngiphuma eThekwini bazokutshela ukuthi uTiro uyayitshontsha ingoma but mina ngokunderstand kwami nokuba nenhlanhla ukuthi ngize ngiphile nabantu abaseduze kwaTiro naye uTiro ngiyazi ukuthi lo mjita is always willing to pay as long as ingoma ihamba he's willing to pay but it's a lack of understanding to people who go to him and it's not his job to educate them.
Yeah, true.
That is a businessman who's running a business, not a charity case, noma foundation yokufundisa abantu ukuthi entertainment isebenza kanjani. So inkinga iqala lapho ukuthi abantu abaningi abakhulumayo ngiye ngithi mase ngirealize ngibona ukuthi no khuluma abantu abangazi and bakhuluma into abangayazi. And into esibabhlungu ukuthi bakhuluma ngebrand enkulu. Like uTira is a big brand. If kukhona wrong akwenzile before ukhulume ngakho iba nesiqiniseko sokuthi uyiphethe because leya brand ayikho nkulu because uyahlanya inkulu ngenxa ukuthi every day uyayisebenzela ukuthi ibe ngakaya so mangimeli icrash even if ungayena uTira nanoma ekabani ibrand even if eka Casper even if eka NSTC but before you crash ibrand yomuntu qale ube sure ukuthi unalo iniqiniso ngaleyo and isenkingeni ukuthi siphila emhlabeni la khona futhi abantu besifazane ngizodila nabo kakhulu abantu besifazane bayashesha ukujabulila into eyiskandal izinto eziningi zimosho ukuthi iyaziwa umuntu wesifazana
yeah
bingakhulumeka bingayona ihaba bingayona into enkulu ngaleyo ndlela but ifica umuntu wesifazane onenkinga yena engalunganga yena personal athola isithuba lathi ngiyabhodla ke la isibongo so uyabo mawuthi wabatshela no sengiyazi ukuthi it's a lack of discipline kubona not kuwena but other than that nje ungalinge ufeel threatened if umuntu esathi ingoma yakho because that shows ukuthi you are not an artist by mistake you know it's a mina ngiye ngithi it's a privilege I don't know why they don't steal my songs so ngize ngashintsha from ikwaito ngawe hip gospel hip hop but ngiye ngisho ngithi if umuntu etshontsha ingoma yakho and eyisebenzisa nginenkinga ukuthi uzoyitshontshela ukuperforma la engiperforma khona then inkinga le but if uyithatha from la engikhona mina uyibeka lapha ya
That's fine.
usungiprovelile ukuthi kumini khona lento le ukuthi one day shuthi nami ngingaba lapha it's only because angibanga nawo lama opportunity or lama access onawo wena kushuthi I must stick to my thing ikhona lento music izophuma nakwena injalo Bizarro ukuthi because sometimes ungathola ukuthi you might even be shocked to find out ukuthi uLady Du is one person ongafika evibe nawe ezesebenze nawe to your success if engathola ithuba lokwazi but akalitholanga ithuba so nawe uzomthatha ngendlela omthatha ngayo manje because awumazi nawe ubuka i-circumstance yakho ubuka i-situation yakho
Because that song phela ebese
I remember that song I remember
asabayilindile ka
ezinto zizongikhawaza nje spirit
Yeah.
ngathi yabona man laba nomacala bese sihamba kahle yafana so khona izinto kazivele ezibe distraction yabo akekho umuntu perfect nje
akekho first
and that's what ngibabheka maybe at the same time unama challenge into ebhayi yabo should la uzibona khona ukuthi okay yazi nathi ngibeka lokho side at least ngathi khona into ngathi ihamba kahle
khona into ehlangana
bese nayithi boom yabo
it was during COVID times that Feranje Doc uyididing uyi-artist now and ngiyazi on the next episode so besigxile kakhulu kuwe but I just want to know ukuthi i-dance culture la KZN or eDurban how is it that side
it's too much mshanami I've never been part of it I don't want to lie I think I did when ngisayingane ngasheshe ngayeka kuyona but I will tell you this eThekwini umdanso ungazi ukuthi kunogogo owachela ngentelezi yeah wonke umuntu ayikho you can be a DJ ngeke umhlula umdansi yeah like bantswempu ngalendlela leyo ukuthi amajita ashi artist esathi umjito oyidance so yabo makuyo emaclubini makuyo vibini ebumnandini that's how you know ukuthi what's moving what's popping so yabo ngesikhathi segqom makufika igqom baningi abantu abalahlwe phansi kwadilwa nalama jita ashaya igqom wonke umuntu ufuna ukuphatha intwana ngoba igqom lingenisile umdanso ke have that power eThekwini ukuthi mina ngazi abona noStu oSigaqa labantu engikhuluma ngaba abantu ababenawo nezikole zabo ze dance
khona lesidudla bejavela utira le
bidale umsawawa nayo ngaphila nayo umsawawa isikhathi eside futhi because we made a song at some point and then sasathoda together but indlela ephila ngayo dance or in fact uzobona ngayo umsawawa can have dancers everywhere umsawawa ngathi esemandeni ekuhlanganisela amajita azodansa iperformance yakhe yonke iphelele we understand even namhlanje umsawa usapusha indaba zayo idance and it's something engeke iphele eThekwini ke bafo kudanswa into eyisicefe ngoba eThekwini ihlukene kakhulu imdanso isipansula sile kude mawuqala ungena edolobheni kuneminye imdanso ehlukahlukene uyabona abantu bayabhenga ngendlela ezihlukahlukene kudanswa kunyakaza isandla nekhanda kuphela kubabazwe kunyakaza isandla nekhanda uvela ubona abona ke manje hayi dansa kakhulu mfethu nama dance competitions Red Bull is always running dance competitions that's how you know ukuthi the indawo inayo dance
so what Vukane is la eJozi is what umsawa is ngada
no umsawa no not ukuthi usakhasa but uvukane uyibrande as a dancer umsawa uyi artist So he's uvukane uyidancer
Yeah,
mawucabanga uvukane ucabanga idance it's a bonus mawazi ukuthi usikhaba amabhodlela ingoma yakhe ucabanga idance kodwa mawucabanga uvukane so umsawawa is a different scenario umsawawa has always been an artist who can dance so ama dancer ayathanda ukumdansela umsawawa because they know ukuthi he's a dancer but yena akazi representanga as a dancer he's represent as an artist mase kuba no Sigaqa uSigaqa uqala manje kuba i-artist naye ngicabanga ukuthi futhi iyona lento yokuthi I think wonke ama department ikhona okushodayo so angazi lutho ngedance ngeke ngikhulume kakhulu ngayo but uSigaqa indlela Ntswempu ngayo usuka kude uSigaqa ufika kubona in fact umsawawa i-afro njengoba ivula isikole se dance nje uSigaqa yeah so namanje usebenza nabo but uSigaqa the way Ntswempu ngayo na the way asenza isikhathi eside ngakhona lento akekho kwi level kavukana so akekho kwi level kavukana
Vukana ubig so Pizarro mfana i-riding I think mina le ndaba ukuthi uye wajayivela ama artists nani bothora nabo bovaya nabo everywhere I think it's some sort of a cheat code mawuzofika ube i-artist mele ngabe soyazi blueprint mele ushay track ublowe when it comes to music where did you think maybe you losing it or mhlambe what do you think career yakho music
music uthi iyaheva yazi I think as only the music we are depressed
too much
too much abantu they think ukuthi ndaba kuthi sekungcono ngoba nama TikTok
sure
manje uyakwazi ukukhipha online
yes
but thina music before bese sishaya khona bese kumele uhambe
uphelele emotweni zabangani bethu
lapho abantu bakuvumane mfana yakhona ngathi bazomthatha kubuza kahle flip lakho yini
kuyeka wangaphumeleli
bamene dot bo FM awuphethe into
uphethe hit
lapha bazi lephezulu imali ungenazo next awuna fokona I remember there was a time siba no Feranja Sasiva ukuthi YFM ne sasi YFM saqala SABC sasi YFM so submit ama single
oh no saqala DStv I remember that one saqala DStv
so submit and what's your sponsor ingoma zimixed zigrand mustard into bayifuna ukuthi is well mixed
sure
and registered no we had everything covered we had everything covered
yabo obvious bositshela ngama compiler bathi maybe ingoma is not well mixed afuthi ngabakutshela ngokutshela ke we-FM nama radio station
bayithulela mfethu you figure it one for yourself
challenge yami ibe into yabona into engenzeka lento ithi buy life yini yabo shuthi sema bazihlangana ngokutshela ukuthi kunala uzitshela khona yabo manje ayingathi ubona ngathi kuyakhanya sibe khona uthi two step forward uthatha 10 steps back yabo
Pizarro
bese gcina manje soba nama depression ethile kasathanda le gaba depression awubona base kubambe wena ngazithola ngikwizinto ezibhaya ez unnecessary mina ngikuze I was not even aware ukuthi I need help at the time ngafaka phela into ezibhaya zibhaya ezangikhawathi shuthi to a point whereby bengasana energy like to do anything ukuthi musically
yes kuba njalo face
manje shuthi ngomamela ngoma ibhaya ngithi ngomamela into ezenze zabo Scots yabo lezi bangathiwazi ngena nestudio lezi yabo ama chorus Ntswempu yabo abana nepiano sikaligibela kahle
sure
futhi alikhonzima uthi papa usuka ndini
because nge nge Premier Durban Nights you were doing ama tracks nabo
ucela ukupika siyenzile khona ama track vele senzile sifixture Durban Nights siyathi famous for nani lapho besagijima boqhumu
because you're telling me ukuthi man akithi Durban Nights bayingakhi by 3 by 4
bebe 4 yeah bebe 4
then ni famous for 94 should be ukuthi ngene omunye athela iverse ngene famous for ithela iverse
ilaba ngimusho ngegama ngithi bafethu ngithi mara ngiyakhumbula sishaya icela ukupika khona lo wathi mangene the way ipressure beyiba khona e-studio khona lo wayichamela ukuthi uba uyazazi ngikubuza zami siyabonga ukhona uanele ukhona shuthi ngiyazi ukuthi la nokuqhoma amavesi
sure
angazi nobe ngabambe umchamo or ini and futhi nje bese ngekho away sitshela ukuthi ebadoda and if people start like lata eli heavy
uba ubani lo ichamel
Yeah, yabo futhi bengayibambile vele lento uthi.
And yazi mawumi artist kaw you always know ukuthi
Yeah.
le yabo mina
Yeah.
ngisenza kwaito
yeah
bengithreatenishwa yabo indlela ezizwana ngayo manje nihlezi ngimtshela khona ubhuti ekuthiwa uEmza ngathi mangifika wathi ubhizi uchama boy ompofu best kwaito lyricist
yeah
ku-Emza you will never come back. I don't care who you are.
Lekashala ayi1
Usayi-one namanje uyi-solo artist. U-Emza you will I don't care who you are. Ku-Emza whether it's gqom, whether it's piano, whether he's too good. Ngazi ukuthi wawuqala umusic ena3 ubuka ukuthi the way egood ngakhona.
Yeah.
Nanamanje futhi usagood uEmza. Namanje khona enye art ekuthi uBastard yayi umusic yawujinda kancane ngathi siyayisebenzela. But yayicula negroup yayithi iDPG yabo amajita nje besiphila nawo.
yeah
uBastard beumuntu naye omuntu obenginika inkinga because yena ke bengadumile but bubona ngeenergy studio ukuthi this guy is too hungry. It's too much.
Fana those were the best days. Yakukhumbula ama track abo cela upika nani ayithini cela upika athi remember ikhona
Upika. Ngani masibona thina zithi cela
So njengamanje ayuphi khona okuhlanganisayo.
Yeah, manje khona ngithi ngibona istudio ke no.
Oh uyabuyela no.
Ne appointment even no Anele yabo bengireno Anele type voice.
yeah une studio la ngeke ngafika studio sakhe
So manje ucabangani EP na isingle album usishangana.
Funa ukushaya EP bese from there into engicabanga no ngishaya vele music
Yeah.
from ngada ngayibe first ngivulile back to the entertainment ekase bangicela entertainment kakhulu
Yeah.
abantu abangicela ukuthi bacela ngifundise incosi zabo kuchava so I think that dance school is going to come back vele.
That would be great. That would be great.
Please,
That would be
please,
great.
Njaya.
And yabo njengamanje kushaya isikhathi so TikTok kutrenda ngawo impela ama groups the more unengane ezenzayo mfethu please if you can do that would be nice.
Ghetto
That would
Dreams
be
Ghetto
nice.
Stories another Ghetto Dreamer Kimbizo naro we arrow
Ngeke ubuye, ngeke
We're going to be
ubuye.
seeing a lot of us here bafethu because now it's not really interviews just conversation between abo achoose nje yabo
Yeah,
so we're just
yeah.
telling a story saka Biza Vandag next time uFerranje nani yabo
No akasekho uFerranje, let's fix that. Owenkosi.
owenkosi
Owenkosi akasekho uFerranje. Listen abafunakala abantu othi uzama ukushintsha uba umuntu ongcono bele bekubuyisele emuva. uFerranje wayengalunganga umphefumulo lo ongasekho manje khona Owenkosi manje nginceke manje nabafesi. So esontweni abakwazi ukubuka bele kube uFerranje kulokhu kukhulunywa no. Funa ukufundisa ukuthi akanake Owenkosi manje.
Asibala
Akasaba
Ghetto Stories kasi live siyabonga bafethu
Hayi siyabonga. Dake ngangimgcineni kwaPizarro. Thanks.